just sort of like it. I sort of like this. I don't know. I don't know. Hey Bells, it's Melissa Danielle. I'm coming to you with a Lovely Wholesale haul. These were sent to me from Lovely Wholesale to review, and all opinions are my own. So we're gonna jump right into this video because I gotta talk to you about this outfit here. So this I ordered in a size 5XL. Keep in mind, in the US, I wear a size 2X and I'm a size 18 in pants, and I am 5'9". So I ordered this in a 5XL. It fits like a 2X. Like the fit is perfect. A velvet outfit covered in sequins. So it has sequins on the hoodie, and it has sequins on the pants. I like the way my butt look in these pants. Anyways, but it has sequins on the pants all the way down to the ankle. I wish the ankles were tapered. They're not. You guys know how I feel about that. So they just sort of like sit there. Sequins go all the way across the top. The majority of the sequins are gold, and then it has like pops of green and blue and purple, all that good stuff in there. Super duper cute. And yes, it has a hood on the back. So it has a hood on the back. This is super cute. I have this one in a gold color. I wore it in like a previous video. You guys are like, where you get that from? So you can get it from Lovely Wholesale now. And keep in mind, guys, the sequin part is not lined underneath there, which I wish it was. So it is a little bit itchy where the sequins are at. So you can always counteract that by wearing a shirt underneath there. So it's all up to you. But this is the first outfit, and she is popping. She is popping. Oh my god, this is like actually really freaking super cute. Okay, so this tie-dye set is a size 5X. So a 2X here in the States. I cannot wait to wear this out this summer. I gotta find me some bright color fur slides. That would be so cute. Anyways, like you can sort of like pull this off the shoulder too if you want to have it off the shoulder. It's like a tunic, and it has the long pieces on the side here, which is drapes. This is cute. You guys know I love me some tie-dye in the summertime. Like, baby, this is hitting. I love how bright and vibrant it is. I love this whole swirl thing. And at first, like the parts that are white here, I was like, but I'm like, now I'm like, ooh, ooh. And then it has like the butterfly sleeve, so it's sort of tight right here, and then it bellows out on the side there. And it's the same thing in the back. This is stretchy. It's like a cotton-esque material. This is so cute, so fire. I cannot wait to wear it in the summertime. Like, I am excited about this outfit, you guys. And then it makes you look slim too. Like, it's sort of like, it makes you look so small. This is so cute. I like this. Okay, let me go to this. Okay, so girls, this is the next outfit. This is a size 4XL. So 4XL. This is, the material is like, it reminds me of vintage clothing. Like a polyester kind of thing. I think this outfit is cute, but I don't like it on me because of my stomach. Like, it makes me feel some kind of way because the hoodie is sort of short, and so I can see my stomach, and I'm like, no, no, no. But the outfit is super cute. The pants are like a great length where I can feel like I can wear my shoes without having that high water look, which I hate so freaking much. I love this this detailing with the silver, and they do have actual pockets. They're not deep, as you guys can see, but it does have pockets here. But the silver is really cute. The pink is cute, and they even went so far as to put silver detailing on the string. Like the waist is elastic. This is just here for decorations. It doesn't actually tighten the pants. So girl, this is the next outfit. I don't even recall ordering this, but I must have because it's the right size and everything. So this is a size 4XL. I don't know how to describe it. This is cute. Like, I personally wouldn't normally buy something like this, but this is actually really cute. This shirt is long too. It comes down here, so you can wear it like this if you want to. So it says Queen on here, and then on the side it says black, and then it has black on the side too. It's sort of like a blurred effect on here, so it's like, it's almost like 3D the way it says black on the side here. Everything is polyester, so keep that in mind. Everything is polyester, and like these leggings, they're black, but like you can see the base of them is white. So you know, but this is a cute little outfit, and like everything on Lovely Wholesale is like really inexpensive. It probably costs like $10-12, who knows, but this is a really cute piece. Like, I don't know, I just sort of like it. I sort of like this. I don't know. I think I probably will wear a different kind of pants with this shirt though, like maybe some leather leggings. Oh, that'd be sexy. So Bells, this outfit is a size 4XL. As you can tell from the smile on my face, I really like this outfit. I love a good off-the-shoulder blouse because I love to have the shoulders just popping. And this is also that polyester material. As you guys can see, it's super duper stretchy. The pants fit perfect though, boo-boo. Okay, guys, this is the last outfit. I'm sorry, I'm laughing at myself because I used to be playing too much. Anyways, but this is the last outfit for today's video. This is a size 5XL. This is their So Official outfit. So official. Okay, but okay, so how do I feel about this? This polyester, of course, it's always polyester. It looks like the picture, but it's still off because like this is what's bothering me. So just sitting here naturally, this does that, and you can't really see what it says. You know, everybody's body shape is different. I got big old thighs, so maybe it's just making it go inward. But it says official, and it says official. I just see myself walking wearing this, and it's just, people are like, what's that? Okay, so like I said, this is size 5XL. This is a little bit loose on me, but it's supposed to be like sort of like baggy, oversized Tiana Taylor style kind of outfit. So the fit's not bothering me. It's just nice and comfortable and loose. Like, it has pockets, so you guys know pockets are everything to an outfit for me. So it's just like a nice little casual throw and go kind of outfit. We're going to a store, running some errands, you know, we're going down the street trying to look cute, got our little Timbs on, that kind of thing going to it. This would be cute, of course, for some pictures too, like a little photo shoot, baby. But yeah, this outfit, I think it comes in black as well. I think I wanted to get something different because I always get black, so I'm like, let me try a different color. And the color is actually really nice. You know, I'm feeling the color, I'm feeling it. So Bells, that's everything for this haul. I hope that you found something that you enjoy, because I know I did. Like, Lovely Wholesale has just been blowing me up lately, like with some cute outfits. I'm really happy about that. But yeah, check them out. I will link them down below with a discount code. My discount code, oh my god, it keeps changing. I'll put my discount code on the screen for you guys here. It's also going to be down below in the description bar with the links to everything I showed you guys in this video. When you go down below to the description bar, you're going to see a little piece with words in it, and it's going to say see more. Just click down there. When you click down there, it expands and you can see all the links, all the information, my social media, everything. So yeah, go down below this video and you can get all the information. So guys, make sure to thumbs up this video if you liked it, or if you found something that you liked. Share it with a friend, invite your friends to the channel, because like we still got to grow this channel, y'all. But yeah, I think it's pretty much everything. So I love you. I will catch you in the next video. Until then, stay fierce, stay fabulous. Melissa Danielle. Mwah. Bye. Oh, and girl, if you're still here, that means you want to see some more content from me. So I'm going to link some videos on the screen for you here. Just click on them and you can watch. If you are on a mobile device, I will link them down below in the description bar for you. That way you can go on there and click on the link and watch those videos. All right, that's it. Peace out.